Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that will ask the user to give the username, user age, and then the program will determine whether the user is already an adult or still a minor using ternary operator in C programming language. Before we continue, if you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We have here from line 1 to 7 is the comment, and then line number 9 sharp includes tdio.h. It is a library file for input-output, standard input-output in C language. We have here in main a function that is the starting and the ending point of our program execution in our C program. Line number 12 is a left curly bracket for begin. Line number 13 is int age, a variable that has a data type of integer. When we say about integer guys, we are referring to this data type that can only accept whole number, negative numbers, and positive. So I initialize it with 0, and then we have here line number 15 up to 17, the title of our program, legal age checker using ternary operator in C. And then line number 18 and 19, it asking the user what is your age, that will be stored in our variable age here. And then line number 21, new line. And then line number 22, we are already using puts or put string, a string function in C. And then we have here a combination of age greater than or equal to 18, ternary operator question mark. So if it is true, you are already an adult. If it is false, you are still a minor. And then line number 24 and 26, and a program. So that's inform the user that the program is already ended. The backslash n here in line 24 and 26, it is only a new line for formatting purposes. And then line number 27, right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. Now let us build and run our program. So legal age checker using ternary operator in C. What is your age? Let's say 56. You are already an adult. End of program. Let us try another value. Let's say you have 14. Legal age checker using ternary operator in C. What is your age? 14. You are still a minor. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to check whether the given age of our user is already an adult or a minor or still a minor using ternary operator in C language. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake saying, see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.